Hello DIYers. Today we're changing the oil in a 2013 Nissan Rogue SV all-wheel drive. In this video I'll show you all the steps including where everything is located, all the specs and capacities, as well as how to reset the service reminder. And if you're just looking for a quick reference, everything you need for the oil change is on the screen now and organized in the description below. And if that's all you needed, thanks for stopping by, and I hope you'll like and subscribe to support the channel on your way out. Thank you. Let's get started. Today for my safety, as I do all my work solo, we're going to use my garage lift. But with SUVs, I also like using car ramps since you just need a little bit more clearance. But the jack point for the front and rear are located here, just for your reference. The hood release lever is located here in the driver's footwell. To release the hood, the latch is located near the center and you pull it to the left. After that, the hood has a prop rod on the underside. Once you find that, you secure the hood in place like I'm doing here. In the engine bay, the dipstick is located here and the oil cap here. I like to loosen both the oil cap and the dipstick to help the oil drain faster. Underneath the car, starting from the bumper, you'll find the oil pan and drain plug right about here. And from the drain bolt, you'll see the oil filter here, tucked behind this underbody panel. The drain bolt needs a 14mm socket to loosen. I'm using my favorite 3/8 drive ratchet from Gear Wrench, but any ratchet will do. And we'll just let the oil drain for a little bit, which is a great time for me to tell you that this is the third video on this Nissan Rogue. So if you like it, I also have videos for the control arm, axles, and tail lights, all in the description below. Once we're finished draining, we can put the drain bolt back on. I didn't change the crush washer because it was looking okay, but it's usually good practice to do so, especially if this is your first time changing the oil by yourself. Again, we're using a 14mm socket and we'll be torquing the drain bolt to 25 foot-pounds. If you don't have a torque wrench, making it just snug and another quarter turn or so should be safe. With that done, we can remove the oil filter. While the panel blocking the filter can be fully removed, you can also easily bend it to the side like I have here. Here the filter is a little snug and I have to use a cap wrench. This aftermarket filter fits my Motovix 64mm cap wrench, so I'm using that. I believe the OEM filter will fit the 64mm cap wrench as well. That said, there's plenty of clearance, so if you only have filter pliers or a strap wrench, those will all work. And the way this filter is positioned, there's no way to avoid making a mess, so just go as quick as you can. Now we can put on the new filter. We're using a Bosch filter, which I've heard great things about. I'll have links to it and the OEM filter in the description below. Make sure you put a little oil on the rubber gasket to help the filter seat properly. We can screw the filter back on, and we only need the filter to be on as tight as our oily hand can make it. This will help our future selves for the next oil change as well. And don't forget to put the under panel back if you moved it to the side. With everything done underneath, we can fill the oil. The Nissan Rogue needs a 5W30 weight oil, and we're using the Kirkland brand today. This oil meets the ILSAC GF6A requirements and is super cost effective. I highly recommend you check it out if you haven't done before. The Nissan Rogue needs 4.9 quarts of oil. We'll fill the car with 4.5 quarts first so that we can start the car and prime the filter. And before you leave a comment about pre-filling the oil filter, just a reminder that the filter was already facing sideways. But you can leave a comment about other things. After the car runs for a minute, we can check the level and add another 0.4 quarts in, and then check the level again. I ended up just putting all 5 quarts in because the dipstick kept showing low. But in hindsight, I probably needed to let the oil settle back into the pan a little bit longer. Now with everything done, let's make sure to reset the service reminder inside the car. Once the Rogue is in key on engine off position, pushing down the right knob will bring up the settings menu. By doing that, you can highlight maintenance and hit the knob again. Here you'll find service, and inside there, a display of mileage since the last oil change, and the option to reset. Push the knob one final time, and we're all set. And that's it. I hope you found this guide on how to change the oil on a 2013 Nissan Rogue helpful. If so, your likes, subscribes, and comments really help to support the channel and help tell YouTube that my videos are worth recommending to others. I also have a couple other Nissan Rogue guides, and they should be popping up now. I'm Alan, and this is Metaloop. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.